Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today we are going to start new unit number 5, that is partial differential equation. Our syllabus contents are: first one is formation of partial differential equation, second one is partial differential equation of order 1 in which linear and non-linear partial differential equation. Then Charpit method, this method is useful for finding the solution of partial differential equation. Then partial differential equation of higher order with constant coefficient, same as linear differential equation with constant coefficient. So this topic is same as that topic. Now we will start partial differential equation. So what is the definition? How we define differential equation first? Differential equation means any equation which involves derivative. That is called as differential equation. But differential equation has so many types. So first one is ordinary differential equation. Second one is linear differential equation, then partial differential equation. So ordinary differential equation and linear differential equation is already covered in unit number 3, unit number 3, that is higher order linear differential equation. Now today we will start partial differential equation. So how we define the partial differential equation? What is mean by partial differential equation? The differential equation in which two or more independent variable and one dependent variable is called partial differential equation. This is very important. The differential equation in which two or more independent variable and one dependent variable is called partial differential equation. So when we take partial derivative, what is the difference between ordinary derivative and partial derivative? So when we take partial derivative, suppose z is function of two variables x and y, means here z depends on x and y. Z is dependent variable, x is independent variable. Z is function of more than one variable, and if z is function of more than one variable, then we can find its partial derivative. It is denoted by dabba z by dabba x and dabba z by dabba y. That is partial derivative of z with respect to x separately and partial derivative of z with respect to y separately. And suppose y is equal to f of x given a. So from this we can find dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. Means this is the ordinary derivative. This is the partial derivative. So z is function of xy. Z dependent variable a, xy independent variable means here two independent variable, one dependent variable, and that equation involves derivative. For example, if you take z is equal to x into y, z is equal to x into y, and if you find its derivative, then that becomes dabba z by dabba x is equal to y. So this is the partial differential equation. Means this equation involves partial derivative, one dependent variable z and two independent variable x and y. So this is the definition of partial differential equation. Means here suppose if you take x and y are independent variable and z be the dependent variable, then partial differential coefficients is denoted by, there are some notations. Dabba z by dabba x is denoted by p, means we can write p equal to dabba z by dabba x, q equal to dabba z by dabba y, r equal to dabba square z by dabba x square, s is equal to dabba square z by dabba x dabba y. Dabba square z by dabba x dabba y means derivative of dabba z by dabba y with respect to x. Means suppose z given a, first we have to take partial derivative of z with respect to y, then we get dabba z by dabba y, and then take derivative with respect to x. Means simply how we write this dabba square z by dabba x dabba y, that can be written as dabba by dabba x into dabba z by dabba y. मीन्स z से हमें फर्स्ट फाइंड करना है dabba z by dabba y and then differentiate dabba z by dabba y with respect to x, then we will get dabba square z by dabba x dabba y. Similarly t is equal to dabba square z by dabba y square. So these are some notations of partial derivatives. So again I am repeating, p is dabba z by dabba x, this is very important. q is dabba z by dabba y, r is dabba square z by dabba x square, t is dabba square z by dabba y square, and s is dabba square z by dabba x dabba y. So after this definition of partial differential equation, what is the order of partial differential equation? How we find order and degree of partial differential equation? We know that order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative that appears in the equation. Same in partial differential equation also. Order of partial differential equation is the order of highest derivative in it. Means for example, dabba square z by dabba x square plus 2 into dabba z by dabba y equal to 0. Such type of differential equation given है. So highest derivative is here dabba square z by dabba x square. Its order is 2. So order of that differential equation is 2. And what is degree of differential equation? Degree of partial differential equation is the degree of highest derivative that appears in the equation. For example, dabba square z by dabba x square plus 2 times dabba z by dabba y equal to 0. This is given partial differential equation. So highest derivative is here dabba square z by dabba x square. Its degree is 1. So degree of this differential equation is 1 and order of this differential equation is 2. Now what is meant by linear and non-linear partial differential equation? Linear means degree 1 and non-linear means degree is not 1. For example, if you take here 2, so this is not linear partial differential equation, but here 1a, so degree of this partial differential equation is 1, then we can say that this differential equation is linear. Okay, now we will start our actual topic of syllabus, that is formation of partial differential equation. Now how we form partial differential equation? First, a partial differential equation is formed by two methods. First one is by eliminating arbitrary constant and second one is by eliminating arbitrary functions, and one more method is there. Suppose three constants are there, then how we eliminate that? Okay, so first we will see by eliminating arbitrary constants and then how to eliminate the arbitrary function. Okay, so first problem is find the partial differential equation of all spheres. Find the partial differential equation of all spheres whose center lie on z-axis and given by whose center lie on z-axis means this is the equation of all sphere given a whose center lies on z-axis is x square plus y square plus z minus a bracket square is equal to b square, where a and b are constant. So this is the given equation of sphere, and using this we have to find partial differential equation. Now what is the procedure, how to solve the problems? First write given equation. Given that here given equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z minus a bracket square is equal to b square. So here a and b are two constant. So if such type of problems are given, then what is the method how to solve the problems? First, here consider z is function of x and y and take derivative of this equation 1 with respect to, means differentiate 1 partially with respect to x and y by considering z is function of x and y. This is the method, means we have to take derivative of equation 1 with respect to x first and then with respect to y by taking z is function of x and y. I am again repeating, by taking z is function of x and y. So if we take derivative of equation 1 with respect to x, so derivative of x square is 2x with respect to x. y क्या होता है? कांस्टेंट. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y स्क्वायर इज 0. ओके, प्लस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x के लिए अभी z कांस्टेंट नहीं, मैंने पहले ही बताया. हियर कंसिडर z इज फंक्शन ऑफ x एंड y. ओके, सो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x के लिए z माइनस ए होल स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव आएगा 2 इंटू जेड माइनस ए इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ z माइनस ए इज dabba z by dabba x into minus derivative of a is 0 is equal to derivative of b is 0. So if you divide throughout by 2, ये डेरिवेटिव समझ में आया. z माइनस ए ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव आया 2 इंटू जेड माइनस ए इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ z माइनस ए इज dabba z by dabba x equal to 0. Now if we divide throughout by 2, then these 2 get cancelled, so we will get x plus z minus a into dabba z by dabba x, that is say p equal to 0. This is the notation, p is equal to dabba z by dabba x. Okay, similarly this is equation 2. Say similarly if we differentiate equation 1 with respect to y, then derivative of x square is 0, derivative of this y square is 2y with respect to y, and plus again z is function of y, so derivative of z minus a bracket square is 2 times z minus a into derivative of z is dabba z by dabba y equal to 0. Again divide by 2, So 2 get cancel. Y plus z minus a into dabba z by dabba y is q equal to 0. This is equation 3. And from 2 and 3 eliminate a and b. B is already eliminated. We have to eliminate only a from 2 and 3. And after elimination we will get one equation, that is our required partial differential equation. So from equation 2, try to find z minus a and put in 3. Then we will get final equation. X is equal to minus time, or we can write here z minus a into p is equal to minus x. Okay, and therefore the value of z minus a is equal to minus x upon p. Put in 3, and therefore equation 3 becomes y minus x upon p into q equal to 0. That is py minus qx is equal to 0. Py minus qx means p is dabba z by dabba x and q is dabba z by dabba y. So answer is dabba z by dabba x into y minus dabba z by dabba y into x is equal to 0. Okay. Now next example is find the different partial differential equation whose z is equal to, means solution is given a z is equal to x plus a into y plus b. We have to find partial differential equation here. So z is function of two variables x and y. So differentiate partially with respect to x and y. If such type of problems are there in solution, first write given equation denoted by 1 and take derivative of that equation with respect to x and y. So dabba z by dabba x is equal to क्या आएगा, x plus a का डेरिवेटिव, x का डेरिवेटिव 1 and a का डेरिवेटिव 0, यहाँ पर रहेगा y plus b. And if we take derivative of z with respect to y, that is dabba z by dabba y is equal to x plus a आएगा, means that is this is p is equal to y plus b and this is q is equal to x plus a. Put in 1, means simply a and b are two arbitrary constants. We have to eliminate a and b. For elimination you can use any method. So what is the value of y plus b, that is p, and x plus a is a. If we put in equation 2, then z is equal to p into q. This is the final differential equation. What is p? P is dabba z by dabba x, q is dabba z by dabba y. So this is the required partial differential equation of given function. In next video we will take some problems on again same type. Thank you.